So we just got the duvet cover. This is a beautiful butterfly and flower duvet cover, and it comes in this lovely case, and it is so beautiful. I've not even yet spread it apart. So it comes, and it's as a duvet. It has the zipper area. So let me just show you. The inside is white like this, but the outside is this mustard yellow print. So I'm going to put the duvet inside it and show you what it looks like on the bed. It also comes with 2 pillowcases. Very beautiful. So this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. Y'all look at it. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love the design. I love the flower, the daisies. Look at the butterfly. It just goes really well on this bed, and it gives it an amazing, lovely look. I just love it, and I think it's amazing.